Hello! Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do, well, the chicken fall thing. So, what you want to do is you want to get any kind of spawn egg. It doesn't have to be chicken. So, spawn it, try spawn another. Oh, I hit the chicken. So, I go up higher, I spawn more and more and more and more. Notice how I'm not hitting them? That's because the place block thingy is higher than the hit range. So if I just tap a bunch, just tap and tap and tap and tap, 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 tap. And that looks like enough. And now if I come down, ta-da! So, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It wasn't meant to be long, but for now let's just enjoy the chicken fall.
There's already one chicken all the way down here. It's the one that we hit. It's all the way down here. Now there's going to be a whole bunch of chickens everywhere.
The chickens have landed, and that's the cue for me to end this video. Hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, stay, I don't know, I don't really have an outro, but let's just say that this is a Pokemon channel, blah blah blah. I don't know.